welcome back to my channel once again. And today I saw a super cool project on CoinMarketCap, and that is Star Moon Metaverse. And I thought to make a detailed video on this project. So this is play to earn metaverse game, and right now the current price is $2.26 and it is 18% down right now, and the reason it's Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is like there is a huge crash in Bitcoin, and that's why you can see a huge dump over here too. Okay, so let's go for the you can see over here the chart, and it looks pretty impressive. You can see pump and dump over here. Okay, and over here recently you can see a huge pump, and now there is a dump. Okay, so there is no data for market cap, trading volume. A lot of people they are investing in this. Okay, and that's why I thought to make a video on it. So let's go on Star Moon's website. So this is website of Star Moon, and this over here you can do battle, collect and earn, and they do have option of play now, marketplace. You can do minting, farming, mining over here. Okay, for the game, who those who are interested in playing games, because there's a lot of people they are really into gaming industry and stuff like that. And right now they have it for Android, and if you want to have a try, you can try it. The game is super cool. Okay, and there you have to purchase NFTs and you have to play. Okay, so let's go on farming section. Over here you can see they are giving you return of 572% per year, and you have to stake your tokens over here. And staking is just like you have to keep your tokens for a certain period of time over there, and they in return they're gonna give you this much of return. Okay, they have a lot of options over here, you can see. And if you want to stake, you just have to click on stake, and then you have to connect your wallet, whatever wallet you have, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Wallet Connect. There's a lot more options you can see. Coin98 wallet. Okay, so this is how you can do farming over there, and they are giving you high uh, APR. You can see, you can check it. And let's go on mining section. Over here you can do mining, and let me tell you how you can do mining over here. You have to purchase NFTs and you have to stake them, and that's how, because this works on proof of stake. So you have to purchase NFTs and you have to stake them, and that's how you can do mining over here. And NFTs, they have a hash rate. Let me go on NFT box. You can see NFTs over here, and over there you can see the hash rate. Okay, this NFT have a high hash rate. The more will be the more hash rate will be, the more mining you can do over here. And you can see 100x, 180x, 600x. Okay, so in mining you can have 8 NFTs, and you have to add your NFT like this. This is how you have to add your NFTs, and they do have option of update hash rate. You can update hash rate of your NFTs as well. So this gaming project have a lot more options. I'm looking at this project since 2-3 months, and at that time they were not having this game. They recently made this game, and this game is live now. So the team is pretty much serious about it. They are working on it, and continuously they are like doing development. They are having new projects. Okay, and the team is pretty impressive. And over here you can see 3D NFT play to earn game, and these are some of the NFTs you can see. Okay, and if you're really interested into play to earn metaverse coins, you can have a look on Star Moon Metaverse. But I'm telling you again, I'm not any kind of financial advisor. Okay, do your own research before you invest in any kind of cryptocurrencies. Okay, so for today, I'm signing off. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you in next video. Till then, take care.